today I submit my payout with FundedTraderMarkets. I'm currently up $3,800 on that account. It's a 100k account. I know normally I go for 200ks, but I do have a 200k account in phase 2 and it's down like $7,000, so like 3.5%. So I need to bring that back and try to pass that. But finally I passed the 100k account and I have a payout ready, finally. And I basically did all my trading days. There are 5 trading days. I did my 0.5% profit days. So yeah, really simple rules. You can literally full port phase 1 and phase 2. I don't know why I've been failing so much. It's probably because I'm just taking dumb trades. But even the full ports, I'm just flopping them. Even like my phase 2 currently, my 200k account is down like 7k. So I flopped the full port. I don't know what's going on. That's just my own trading. Nothing to do with them. Honestly, they have the most easiest rules. So once funded, I can risk 1% max per trade. And to do my profitable trading days, I just need 0.5% profit. So that's what I've been doing. And I did take a loss, but then I brought it back the next day. And yeah, I've done all my profit days. And now I have my payout ready. And I flipping love this dashboard. Look at this right here. Okay. You can see like your optimal health of your account basically on the parameters that you need to meet. So I've met my consistency, even though there is no consistency rule. So that's why it's just said 100%. And then my trading days, I've done that. My daily drawdown, I haven't breached that. My max drawdown, haven't breached that. You know, it literally shows you in this really nice animation all your like set criteria that you need to get a payout. It's that simple. It literally just shows you like in a really, really nice way. Look at it. It's just like it's alive. Like your account is alive. I love it. So yeah, this is all your stats right here. These are all my trades. Yeah, it took quite a few trades, but we got there in the end. So we have a payout pending now. Well, actually, we're going to submit that right now. So it's up $3,844. So let's go over here to, I think, rewards and then see what can I withdraw. So, okay, there we go. So available to withdraw is 3,800 right there. Let's go on to request reward and then select account. Yep, this is the account that I want. And then maximum amount. And we can do USDT TRC20. So let me put in my wallet right now and then I'll get back to you. Now I've pasted in my wallet address and now, okay, let's look at the time. It is currently, actually let me show you on my phone. It's 7:36 p.m. Okay. I don't know if you can see that. It's blurry, but yeah, 7:36 p.m. And then we're going to confirm reward. Boom. Oh, let me do the authenticator app. One sec. Confirm. Cool. There we go. So it's 7:36 p.m. I've just submitted that. Actually, let's round that up to 7:37 because it's like 5 seconds left for that. So 7:37, boom, payout has been submitted. And now whilst we wait for that, it should be really quick apparently. Until that happens, let's just go on to like their challenges. And let me talk you through FundedTraderMarkets. So they have a one-step account, which is very, very popular. A lot of people go for that. You can like pass in one trade, I believe. And it's like a 90% profit split. And look at this. So you have a profit target of 10% and a max overall drawdown of 6%. And a max daily drawdown of 4%. Not that bad at all. Nice one step. I'm not really a fan of one-step accounts. I mainly trade two-step accounts. So that's what I'm really well versed into. So my favorite thing here is look at this. Look over here. We have a 200k account, right? This is why I love it. It's $699 and it comes with easy rules. 200k account should not cost that much. Usually it's like $1,000, right? But it's $699 with their automatic discount code that they put. But of course, if you use my discount code, instead of getting 60% off, you get 65% off. I have the best discount code out there, literally. FundedTraderMarkets literally has me as the best discount code. You can't get any better. So if you want 65% off, you can use code Zamco and they'll get you 65% off all of their accounts. But the reason I love two-step accounts on this Propfirm is you can full port in phase 1, they don't care. Full port in phase 2, they don't care. Why? Because in your funded stage, you're limited to 1% risk per trade, which is more than enough. I don't need more than that. If you've got a 200k account, you're risking what? $2,000 per trade. That's more than enough. A 1 to 4 risk to reward, or 1 to 5 risk to reward, you're up 10k. And then you just do your profit days, risking like, let's say if you want to risk 1% per trade, you're risking 1,000 to make 500. You're doing negative risk to reward to do your profitable trading days, and that's it, you have a payout ready. So that's what I love about FundedTraderMarkets. And if you go over the 1%, they don't breach your account. Your payout split just gets reduced. So it's not like other prop firms where you go over the 1% risk restriction that they put on you and then you just get your payout denied or you just get terminated or breached. It's none of that crap. It's simply, okay, you can full port phase 1, phase 2, no problem. We don't care how you pass. And then once funded, just stick to, you know, less than 1% risk, and we have no problem. That's what I flipping love about this Propfirm. And $699, no, you can get it cheaper if you use code ZamCo, of course. Honestly, it's really, really good pricing, and the rules are flipping amazing. Full port, pass, get funded, one good trade, and just do your profitable trading days. Boom, you have a payout ready. So that's that. And then instant funded accounts. I'm not really sure about, you know, the rules on the instant funded accounts, but, you know, $442 for 100K instant funded. Not bad at all. But yeah, the one that I can speak about is the two-step evaluation, 2-step plus. That's the one I go for. It's honestly one of the best accounts that I have on CFDs. So that's that. And now let me check. Do I have any? Okay. Oh, flip my payout. Yeah, there we go. Payout approved. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, here's the email right there on my actual email. You can see it is 7:39 that they sent that. Yeah, payout approved. Right there. And now let me check my wallet if it's actually there. So let's go onto my wallet and then let's hit refresh. And there it is. There it is. USDT, I got it. Received. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there. Obviously, there's like a 5% fee for the transaction, but it's right there. There we go. You can see the payout right there. Received. That was what, like 3 minutes? Okay, so here is the certificate. You can see right here. Processed in 2 minutes 37 seconds. That's insane. $2,690 after the payout split. Boom, in my account, paid in 2 minutes 37 seconds. Honestly, I can't. That is the fastest payout I've ever had. I don't think, yeah, I've never had a payout this fast. And here's the motorbike, which is really iconic for their certificates. I love it. But yeah, Funded Trader Markets paid out live, literally whilst on this video, as I'm, you know, going through my account and everything. Boom, 2.6K just paid like that. That's insane. So if you do want to get an account with Funded Trader Markets, of course you can use code ZamCo. That will give you 65% off instead of the original 60% off that they have running. So that is your incentive to use code ZamCo. You would always get the best deals ever. So get a 2-step account. That's what I trade. If not, check out their rules for 1-step or instant funded accounts. If you like their rules with that, go for that. But 2-step is the one for me. That's what I like. And again, you can full port phase 1 and phase 2. Just risk less than 1% in the funded stage. You have no problem. Their rules are very, very transparent. If you go over to their FAQs, it is literally the easiest thing ever. Let me actually do that right now. Now look at this. All of your general trading rules are right here. Am I allowed to use copy trader? Am I allowed to trade news? Minimum trade holding times. I believe it's like 1 minute. Yeah, here we go. To clarify, any trade closed within 1 minute will be just have its profits voided. This is another flipping amazing thing. On your funded account, if you close a trade within 1 minute or under it, instead of it being a breach for your account, it's just a simple, okay, we'll just take away the profit from it. That's it. No problem at all. Honestly, it's like they don't breach you really for much. So you can full port, risk less than 1%, you are chilling. And even if you go over 1%, your payout split just reduces. You don't get banned. So this is literally amazing. Oh, look at that payout certificate. Anyways, that is my payout with Funded Trader Markets. If you do want an account with them, you know what to do. You can use code ZamCo. I'll see you in the next video.